Have you ever heard of a man who survived having a metal rod blasted through his skull? His incredible story not only defied medical expectations but also transformed our understanding of the human brain. Welcome to the mystery of Phineas Gage, the railroad worker whose bizarre accident changed neuroscience forever. Stick around until the end to uncover how this astonishing event provided groundbreaking insights into brain function and personality. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more weird science content. Let's get started. Phineas Gage was a 25-year-old railroad foreman working on the Rutland and Burlington Railroad in Vermont in 1848. On September 13th of that year, a routine blasting operation went horribly wrong. Gage was using a tamping iron to pack explosive powder into a rock when a spark ignited the powder. The iron rod, measuring over 3 feet long and 1.25 inches in diameter, shot through his left cheek, behind his left eye, and out the top of his skull. Miraculously, Gage survived the horrific accident. Even more astonishingly, he was conscious and able to speak immediately afterward. Within months, he physically recovered, but his personality underwent a dramatic transformation, which puzzled doctors and scientists for years to come. Before we delve into the details of Gage's life after the accident, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our weird science adventures. Gage's case became a milestone in the field of neuroscience. Prior to his accident, he was known as a capable and responsible foreman, well-liked by his peers. However, after the accident, he became irritable, impulsive, and unreliable. His friends described him as no longer Gage. This dramatic change in behavior provided early evidence of the brain's role in personality and decision-making. The injury had damaged his frontal lobes, an area crucial for self-control, social behavior, and reasoning. Phineas Gage's case was one of the first to suggest a direct link between brain structures and personality traits. One of the first doctors to treat Gage was Dr. Martyn Harlow. He meticulously documented Gage's recovery and the changes in his behavior. Dr. Harlow's detailed case study became a foundational text in the study of brain injuries and their effects on behavior. His observations helped lay the groundwork for the field of neuropsychology. The case of Phineas Gage also highlighted the brain's incredible capacity for adaptation and plasticity. Despite the severe injury, Gage was able to learn new skills and adapt to his changed personality. He even went on to work as a stagecoach driver in Chile, which required significant cognitive and motor skills. Before we explore the lasting impact of Gage's case on modern neuroscience, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more weird science content. Gage's skull and the infamous tamping iron are preserved at Harvard Medical School's Warren Anatomical Museum. They continue to be studied by scientists seeking to understand the precise nature of his injury and its effects. Advances in neuroimaging and computer modeling have allowed researchers to reconstruct Gage's brain and the path of the rod, providing new insights into his condition. One of the most significant contributions of Phineas Gage's case to neuroscience is the understanding of the frontal lobe's role in personality and social behavior. Modern studies have shown that damage to these areas can result in changes similar to those observed in Gage, including impulsivity, poor decision-making, and social inappropriateness. Gage's story also underscores the importance of longitudinal studies in understanding brain injuries. Dr. Harlow's follow-up observations years after the accident provided valuable insights into Gage's long-term recovery and adaptation. This approach has influenced how modern neuropsychologists study and treat brain injury patients. And now for the grand reveal. Gage's case continues to be a source of inspiration and intrigue for neuroscientists. Recent studies using advanced neuroimaging techniques have revealed that the damage to Gage's brain was more extensive than initially thought, affecting not just the frontal lobes but also other critical areas involved in emotion and behavior. Phineas Gage's remarkable survival and the subsequent changes in his personality provided early evidence that the brain is not just a homogeneous organ, but a complex structure with specialized regions responsible for different functions. His case helped debunk the then-prevailing phrenological theories, which inaccurately linked bumps on the skull to personality traits. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mystery of Phineas Gage and his impact on neuroscience, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have about this fascinating topic. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our next weird science adventure. Until next time, stay curious.